I'm Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sailandski. Today we're on a 2014 Mastercraft X46. So some of the takeaways is just the amount of room. So you got these two nice loungers. You got this seat where you can really, have three people facing back. We'll get back there in a second. Show you the cockpit, but I put the cover under here, and then you have your batteries. Armrest on both sides. We'll have a picture with the bimini up. I'm getting as much light on the boat as I can. But you see just the amount of room. The boat's rated for 15 people. Real easy to use, easy to see gauges. So right there, we're just on the FM. Like if I go to profile and then go up to surf, so we'll activate. So we have our Gen 2 up top. The set speed, I'm thinking is a little high. So we'll see what they do for profile, surf left, activate. So riding on this at 10.3 seems to be about the right speed. Got a key down there, and then it's real cool to push to start. Got touchscreen with the buttons on the side, and then kind of the gauges screen. $127.5 hours right now. Say 130 to be safe. And then you can control the tabs there, and then it fills up ballast automatically, as you can see here. Nice big rear facing, nice big mirror. Comfortable captain's chair. Again, the amount of room. So walk through this big platform. And you can have a rear facing seat when you're hanging out. Got some chop here. This boat has the stereo remote. Handsome, but again, just a lot of room on this boat. And the JL Audio tower speakers. You got your clamp wakeboard racks. Go in and out. 4, 8, 12 cup holders. That 13 in the cockpit. Real easy to use Fusion stereo head, and then you have another remote there, and then you can even access things on the screen. Lost my shirt. JL Audio speakers. Pretty clean boat, a few blemishes to take note of. And then this you can have as a rear facing seat, watch your rider, and then it could also lay flat couch. And then we'll point out that there. Nice color combo with the gray, the red, and the black. Under here you've got your cooler, your garbage. Under here you have your cooler. And then a ton of storage. So orange jacket, throw cushion, floaties. Ski pylon, batteries. But overall, pretty good shape boat. If you want to set up an appointment to see the boat in person, feel free to give us a call at 512-450-8023.
Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.